Good job. Okay. Woo. Are you is that your dancing? Yeah. Woo. Get those knees going. Here, do you want to make her sing again? Here. Dance with her, dance.
Music.
You're dancing? Gigi, that's funny. Here. That's okay. Get right back up. Ooh, that's a lot of things to carry at one time. Put him down, maybe. You can put him down. Oh, it's hard to carry both of them. But you're going to do it, I see. Now we're improvising. We're pushing them along. Good job, Diti. Okay, say hi to Nona and Grossvati. Bye-bye. We're saying bye-bye to the video. Oh, you are busy. Okay, you going to sit up in your chair now? And you give him a hug? Give him a hug. How about him? You want to give him a hug? Aww. Aww. Oh, is he your baby? Oh, that's nice. Okay, bye-bye.